Do you know you can make up to $3,500 a week just using 10 minutes of your time posting on Pinterest? Let me back up my talk and show you what I actually mean. This is a lower number, but I've made over $1,857 in 1 week. As you can see right here, look at that. You see, this number, this is pretty dang good. Not too bad. Now, how can you achieve these numbers that you're seeing right now on the board to do exactly what I do well in this video? I'm going to show you. Now, first of all, we got to talk about what method we'll be using. You only need 10 minutes of your time. This is no blubberish or no crap 10 minutes. The media we're going to be using today is Pinterest. Now, this is a very undersaturated method, and not many people do this at all. Anybody can do this, and all you need is a cell phone or a computer. That's it. And then some internet access. What are you going to exactly be doing in this well? You're just going to be reposting videos and photos. I'm going to show you how to exactly make and then post them to Pinterest, and then boom, the sale starts running in. But wait, where did we get into this? What are we using? Though, how are you making this money? I don't have a product. I don't have a website. Affiliate marketing. If you're new to affiliate marketing, what you basically do is promote someone else's product and you get a commission based off of it. Let me give you a quick example because I know most of you know what this means. You're seeing on the screen, I sell this digital marketing course to many people. Now, it's basically how to make money like an entrepreneur site. And I get an 80% commission of each one I sell. I get about $12.79, so it is a pretty good bargain. I get 80%, and then 20% does go to the creator. So that's what affiliate marketing is. You get a percentage, and the creator gets a percentage as well. You're basically just helping the creator make these sales, and you get paid for it. Don't make a random name that nobody knows, like my mentor wants to bake cakes for my grandma. Just make it really plain and simple. It is pretty much going to do the job. Once you have your Pinterest set out for you, you're then going to want to put your logo. And for your logo, you can just pretty much put anything. Just make sure it's pretty professional because remember, you are a salesman in this. And you do want to do a good job presenting yourself. Now, here comes the hardest part, posting. What do you post? How do you bring in that attraction to get people to know to buy your stuff? Well, let's go over that right now. I just made this new Pinterest account right here, Melissa's Finance, just for the video. So make sure it's actually accessible again and make sure it's professional. You are actually sharing this information. And people will be using your name and logo to determine if they actually want to buy your product. Now, how do you actually draw people for attention to get sales? Well, you need a post. That's what Pinterest is for. So how are you going to edit these videos? I would suggest using Canva. So let's hop over to canva.com and get started. You're then going to want to go to Pinterest. So let's type in Pinterest. And as you can see here, we're just going to go to Pinterest pin. You're going to then click on create a blank Pinterest pin and then select it. And then you're going to be brought up to this page. This is kind of your posting page. Now, what are we going to be promoting? You can promote a lot of things, like maybe if you want to go in the cooking niche or whatnot. I'm going to stick to like how to make money with AI. We're going to pick a product just for that. So let's head over to Warrior Plus right now. So we're on Warrior Plus. And what you're going to want to do is go up to the place where it says affiliate and then go to offers. And then you're going to look through these offers and then you're going to find the best one that suits you. For me, I really like the AI one, which we're going to go to right now, which is basically this high ticket AI, this AI bot, which basically says you're making money if you buy this AI bot, which the AI will do for you. So now that we got this information and we know what we're going to be promoting, yeah, you guessed it. We're going to make posts around it about how to make money, particularly how to make money with AI. So let's go over back to Canva and see how we're going to create this masterpiece. We're going to go back over to Canva. We're currently at the campus station, and then we're going to drag and drop our image right here. Whoa, we're going to slide this up, and as you can tell, it doesn't fit the post, which sucks. So you're going to spread this out and bang it if it's the post. And how are we going to draw our audience in? Now, you saw that they just had a random post. We're going to want to put a title on our post, so make it intriguing. Make sure people want to actually click and look at your link and maybe buy your service. So huge thing going on right now is AI. So we're going to make a caption based on AI. Now we got to think of something to say, and I'm going to say how I made, and then you're going to want to put it up, and then we want to pick a good font and whatnot to make it look really nice. Oh, the Molly, that's ugly. Okay, I changed the font because the other one looked absolutely awful. But let's just go to share, press, download. And then what you want to do is switch this over to PNG to get the best quality of the post. And then press download as we just downloaded the amazing file. You'll then want to go to Pinterest. So now we're back over at Pinterest. And you're going to want to press create, and then let's drag and drop the file we literally just made. Now, you would want to put title and the description. In the description, you should paste your affiliate link after shortening it with a link shortener. Now slap that publish button, publish. You can go ahead and try. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and that's pretty much what I have for Pinterest. Now I will tell you one secret to this method. It's to be consistent. I know you don't want to hear it, but if you post 2 times a day in about a couple weeks, you'll definitely start seeing sales rolling because it's just a numbers game after all. I mean, the more you post, the more chances you get to win, which is the more chances you get to actually sell your product. You know what I mean? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I do post a ton of methods how to make money as I have myself online, so I would enjoy if you come back for the next one or not. It's your loss anyways. Am I allowed to say that I'll see you in the next one? Peace out.